Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests. To solve the diverse array problem, implement 3 related methods. Array sum should traverse a one-dimensional int array, accumulate the total in a variable, and return that sum. Row sums should create a one-dimensional result array with one element per row of R2D. For each row index I, it should call arraysum AR2DI and store that value in the result array. Is diverse? Use row sums R2D to get the sum of each row. Then it should compare all pairs of row sums using nested loops. If any 2 sums are equal, the array is not diverse. So the method returns false. If no duplicate row sums are found after checking all pairs, the method returns true. A correct isDiverse implementation would look like this. Public static boolean isDiverse. Great job tracing through that code. Remember to track each variable carefully. Practice with Sovi to build your Java debugging skills.